Hi, this is Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle, and today you're going to learn about what broker I use to buy and sell stocks. And that would be TradeKing. I use TradeKing because it has a low commission base, $4.95 flat rate every time you buy or sell a stock. That's the cheapest on the market, so why wouldn't I go for it? It has great customer service. Every time I call, I'm never put on hold, and all my answers are answered right on the spot. And the way TradeKing communicates with their customers, at least in my experience, they're very easy to understand, and every single time I call, a human picks up. I don't have to worry about a recording. Best commission-based pricing, $4.95 flat rate when you trade a stock, and great customer service. So you can't go wrong with both of those things. I've been a member since 2012, and I don't regret it for a second. So once you sign up with TradeKing, they'll give you this program for free that offers real-time stock prices. And this is what it looks like. So when you open up an account, you can use TradeKing Live. This will give you real-time stock quotes. You can see your holdings and your watch list. Thank you so much for listening. This is Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle.